In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota RAV4 key fob to change the internal battery at home. Now, if you're looking at this key fob, you may have something that looks very similar to this, but some of them have kind of a glossy finish in here. Some of them have, I believe, 3 buttons. Mine has 4. You may have the 3-button version. Don't worry, it is the same device, same button, same process, same battery, same process to open it up. So just go ahead and follow along. We'll get a new battery in there for you. You will need one of these CR2032 batteries. Now, if you don't know where to get that, or you'd like to get one online, check the link down in the description. You can go over there to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and that will be the exact battery that you need for this device. The first step is just to look on the bottom. You can see this little switch here. I'm going to hold that down and pull out the internal battery. Set that to the side. Here we have a keyhole, that's where the key just came from, and right across from it, perpendicular to it, is a little indentation in the plastic, a little slot that we're going to use a regular flathead screwdriver to open this thing up. So again, keyhole, and then this is the area that I'm talking about. So insert your flathead screwdriver into there. It's probably best that you have the back side facing up, not the button side. And we're just inserting in there and twisting our screwdriver. You can now pull this off, set that down, pull this off. These buttons can come out if this little rubber component falls out, so just kind of keep it oriented this way, set it down carefully, and we're just going to be working on this little component here. Up at the top, right above the battery, you can see there's a little hole. That's what we want to go in with either this flathead screwdriver. You can kind of go in with the corner and pry it out. Better to use a smaller screwdriver or just a tool that will really fit into that hole. I'm going to be using this little precision screwdriver here, because if you have the tool that's the right size, it just pops out super easily. If you're in a pinch, you can definitely use this, which I have done. You just kind of get under and it takes a bit more force, and you might kind of scratch things up a little bit. So I really wouldn't recommend that. If you don't have something like this, you can use a paper clip, fold that out and insert it in and pry this out. Also perhaps a bobby pin, a toothpick, something like that. And if you don't have anything that's working for you, I would recommend this product. This is just a couple of precision screwdrivers like the one I have right here. And you get different sizes there. So if you don't have something that fits in here, and if you're struggling, just check the link down in the description. There will be a link to get that on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So once we have the right tool, you're just putting it down in there and just prying. Comes out very easily. Now get rid of your old battery, take a new CR2032 battery and put it in positive side up. So this side facing up, you just click it in there and you should see that plus sign facing up. Now on the back here, we're just gonna put it all back together. On the back, you can see that little circle with the battery, that information there. Just set the battery facing down on top of that. And from here, we can just pick up the other part of the key fob and just kind of click those two back together. Squeeze it all back together and put your key back in there, and you are good to go. I hope that was a big help to you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just go ahead and give this video a like so it can help someone else. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every make or model. So check those out, and you can also visit us directly at our website, fobbattery.com.